here we are. My heart is beating faster because we are one step closer to finding out who is going to be our digital icon, India's biggest first digital singing sensation. We are here with our finalists and our celebrity judge. Yay!
Yo. Hi
मैं हूँ
guys, how are
आरजे
you doing?
मानसा from Hyderabad and Jubin is our celebrity judge. My God, Jubin, he sings our heart melts.
बंदिया तू मोड़ के ना जा बंदिया मेरी जान बड़ा सा है
You have been a part of a reality show yourself, and now you're going to be judging one. How does that make you feel?
Uh, I'm all for upcoming talent, and I'm all for new things that have happened in the past and new things that are going to happen now. So, मजा आ रहा है. I'm very excited to listen to your top finalists. Huh?
By the way, it's like everything is happening digital now. Music is also gone digital completely, if you ask me.
Yeah, but I am so right now. I am in Missouri, and thankfully, I'm having this digital moment from here.
Yes.
And when the things open up, I would like to invite all of you to Uttarakhand as well.
Oh, thank you so much. We will take that invite up. But let me introduce you to our Dhammakedar singers. We've had so many entries from across the country, and these two girls are so good. They've reached here. And we have first the Adele of Mumbai, is what people call her. Mallika Mehta. Say hi, please.
Hi, thank you.
Hello. Hi.
And now we have a Chota Packet, Bada Dhamaka. She's only in class 9 from Bihar.
Oh, really?
Yes, and she wants to be the next Lata Mangeshkar ji. Seriously,
Wow.
she sounds so good. There's Honey Priya. Honey, you want to say something to Jubin?
Hi, honey.
She's super excited. Okay, guys, let me explain. It's going to be very simple. 3 rounds honge. 2 rounds में marking and 1 fun round. And then we'll know who's going to go to the next round. One step closer to being digital icon. Simple as that. But the rules, only 2 rules, okay? एक तो जब कोई गा रहा है, let us all go on mute so that it will be clear. Second is, let's make it a fun competition. जब भी किसी को कोई गाना पसंद आए, हाथ दिखाने का. बस. That you like it.
Okay.
So are we all set? Girls, show me your game face. Come on, let's put our game face on. Where is your game face? That is not your game face. What is your game face? Mean face dikhane ka. Okay, yes. Here we go. Jubin, do you have a game face, by the way? Oh, that's your game face. There you go. So let's start the first round. Jubin, do you want to pick who's going to go first?
I would listen to the Adele of Mumbai, Mallika.
Mallika, yeah. A song of your choice. Go for it. All the best.
Thank you. Just before I start the song, so there's one thing that I want to say. A part of the lyrics of the song are rewritten by me. So I really hope you like it.
Wow. Thanks for telling that. I think I'm going to listen to it more carefully now.
Thank you. Thank you.
आके हर एक मंजर रेत की तरह बिखर रहा है दर्द तुम्हारा बदन में मेरे जहर की तरह उतर रहा है नजरों के आगे हर एक मंजर रेत की तरह बिखर रहा है दर्द तुम्हारा बदन में मेरे जहर की तरह उतर रहा है बेख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए दूरियां न मुझसे अब ये हो सहन पाए थोड़ा सा मैं खफा हो गया अपने आप से थोड़ा सा तुझ पे भी बेवजह ही मलाल आए दिल से दिल का है ये रिश्ता टूटेगा नहीं आँखों में ये आंसू बन के छूटेगा नहीं प्यार भरी वो बात और मुलाकात भूलूं मैं कैसे तेरी वो आहटें हर जगह हर समय आए
And that was a great, great performance. Yeah, my God, Mallika, no wonder people call you the Adele of Mumbai and so many hearts. So many hearts. I can just keep doing.
Thank you
I
so
wish I could
much.
whistle. I cannot, but I can only clap. But Jubin, I saw you showing a heart and you were lost. Tell me, what did you think of our Mallika?
I think Malika has a very she has the pain she brings in the voice is beautiful, and I love the fact that you were not scared to write what you feel on the song, what more you feel about the song. और उसके अलावा मुझे लगता है आपकी बहुत अच्छा वॉइस कंट्रोल है, बहुत अच्छी वॉइस रेंज है, हाउ यू गो टू फॉल्स एंड देन यू कम बैक टू फुल वॉइस एंड देन यू गो बैक टू फॉल्स. That was beautiful. I really liked your performance. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That actually means the world to me. So thank you so much.
Cheers.
Now
Cheers.
she's all boosted for the next round, I'm sure, after all the compliments.
Absolutely.
But now moving on to our Chota packet, Bada Dhamaka. I was seeing how she was concentrating. I'm sure she was preparing already, sitting there. Honey Priya from Bihar. Are we all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you picked a song?
Yes, ma'am.
Jai Mata Di ho jaye. Come on, go for it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, and all of us mute, the rest of us. No Parda, absolutely. My God, what was that? It's like Shreya Ghoshal's voice and Madhuri Dixit's expression. Deadly combination. You were not just singing, you were also acting, and kya lovely expressions. Yeah, Honey Priya. I'm the only one who cannot sing here, and you're all giving me a complex. Jubin, what do you think?
Oh, that was beautiful when the voice came, and then suddenly when she says that, oof, my God, it was so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was a very, very good performance. You took me somewhere with your voice, and आप मुझे अपने साथ ले गए थे पहाड़ों में थोड़ी देर के लिए.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Beautiful. Very nice.
No, but I want to ask and clarify. Are you really in class 9? Because मेरे को तो doubt हो रहा है अभी.
How she sings, how
Yes,
she's
ma'am.
saying. उतना एक्सप्रेशन आता है उसमें. My God, it was just amazing. Thank you so
मेरे
much.
से तो अभी भी नहीं होता.
Wow, very good.
It's
Good job.
fantastic.
मैं बहुत नर्वस हो गई थी मैम. मुझे लगा कि स्टार्टिंग में आई डिड सम मिस्टेक. सर को देख के पता नहीं क्या उस वक्त मैं आपको कह रही थी मैम कि आई वाज एक्साइटेड बट
तो फिर
तो
nervous
जब आपने बोला हाँ, बस आप जीत गए वहीं पर. मतलब I forgot all your mistakes that time. I was like, wow.
No,
Good.
if you
And don't be
enjoy-
nervous, please.
Yeah. No, but if she performs like this, I just say be nervous. If it's making
No,
you perform like this.
I can't even imagine when she's gonna just perform and she's not even nervous. I think
Yeah.
it'll be
True.
great.
True.
It's beautiful.
Both the girls, both the contestants, my God, तगड़ा competition है.
Very good contestants. I must tell you, you guys surprised me, Fever FM, and I was not expecting this kind of competition. I was not expecting such superior singers. Like both the singers are so good in their own unique styles.
Fantastic.
Big hug to you guys, man.
It's a great start, and we are in the middle of our two finalists fighting it out to be the first digital icon, the next digital singing sensation. मैं हूँ आरजे मानसा. We have Jubin Nautiyal, the most versatile, as our celebrity judge, and we have our two, of course, contestants Mallika Mehta and Hanipriya fighting it out. And now we're going to take a break and we're going to have a fun round. Okay, before we start singing again, this is called our round 2 DIG, यानी digital icon game. So DIG साहब होंगे हमारे साथ बैठे हैं. Okay, चुपके.
Okay.
वो हमें clues देंगे, images दिखाएंगे. All you have to guess is दो combination होंगे उस images में. Okay, it could be a star or a thing or another star. It could be anything, but combination of two things from Bollywood. You have to guess the song. एक गाना गाने का, एक line गाने का बस from the गाना. You don't have to guess the film, okay? Just the song. Got it, girls?
Okay.
yes ma'am.
Got it.
And Jubin, you also can take part. This is a fun round. You can forget you're the
Okay.
judge and just,
No, I'm not
That's-
the judge here. I'm just having fun here. I must tell you that.
we all can take part in this. So are we ready to have some fun with DIG Saab? Our round 2 starts. Okay, here we go. DIG Saab, are you ready to give us our first clue, our first image? We are waiting. Oh, there's a pigeon and
I
there's
know.
Sonam. Jubin is going to go first. Jubin, go for it.
But what should I should tell you the song?
You should sing 2 lines of the song, please.
Masakali, masakali, matakali, matakali. Am I right?
Yes, you
Masakali.
are
Yes, of course.
absolutely right. I was hoping you'd sing a little more. इसलिए मैं चुप बैठी.
Wow, that was the
Jubin
easy one.
wins this point. Girls, come on. We've got 2 more clues. You've got to beat Jubin in this. Okay? We've
on.
got 2 more clues. Okay, DIG Saab, can we have the next clue, please? There's Priyanka Chopra and there is a bell. Bell को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
हमारी
Girls,
एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार. तूने हमारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार.
गाना पड़ेगा डार्लिंग, गाना पड़ेगा. गा के बताइए प्लीज.
तूने हमारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार. टन 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 टन. दिल की सुन कमेंट्री यार प्यार की गारंटी यार. टन 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 टन.
Oh, that's the right one. That's the right
Nice.
one. And come on, Mallika, you're going to get this one. DIG Saab, can we have the third clue, please? Okay, we're going to get the third clue. Saif Ali Khan and a train. ये बहुत difficult लग रहा है. Let me see if anybody is going to get this. Somebody shout out your name. Come on.
I know.
Oh, Jubin gets it again. Jubin, go for it. You are like musical encyclopedia here.
ये हवाएं गुनगुनाए
Yeah.
ना 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 तू है फूलों की कलियों में या मेरे ख्वाबों की गलियों में ना ना ना. Am I right? This is the song, right?
Yes, you are perfectly right. Jubin always gets it right. Go for it. Now, come on. I don't want to have Malika feeling left out. Malika, quickly tell me which is your most favorite Jubin Nautiyal song.
I have so many, but I think Tujhe Kitna would be like my favorite. Or
Mine
Tumhi Aana.
too.
I don't know. I love all his songs. I mean, like,
Mine to sing one line before we go on to the next round. One line, quickly.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया राहों में यूं जो तू मिल गया तुझे कितना चाहे और हम.
Oh.
Fantastic.
This is really
fantastic.
very. I mean, it makes me so nervous to sing his song in front of him. Like, I
What?
don't know.
You sang it so well. Yo.
Thank you.
It was fantastic. This was fun. I think we all sang, except for me, of course. If I sing, all the musicians will disappear, so I dare not. But we are going to move on to the next round of our Digital Icon, India's biggest digital singing talent hunt. And contestants Haripriya and Malika Mehta, are you ready for round 3?
Yes.
Yes. It's called Make an Impression. Our celebrity judge, Jubin Nautiyal, is going to pick a song of his choice, and आपको देंगे, and आपको on the spot गाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
I hope you know the songs and you remember the songs and you're Bollywood babies.
Yes. So tell me who's going first.
Let's have Malika go first this time.
Okay. So Malika, I think. So there is this great cult classic song by A.R. Rahman. It's called the Hamma song. We redid the song. It was one of the first few recreations we created, and I'm a big fan of the song. And I would want to listen to that in your western, smooth, silky voice.
Okay, sure. Thank you. It also happens to be one of my favorite songs. So yeah.
Whoa, nice, nice.
So here we go, Malika. All the best.
Thank you.
एक हो गए हम और तुम तो उड़ गए नींदे रे और खन की पायल मस्ती में जो कन खन के रे हम्मा 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 है हम्मा 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 ये पहली बार मिले तुम पे ये दम निकले तुम पे ये जवानी धीरे धीरे मधुम मचले रे हम्मा 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 हे हम्मा 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 खिली चांदनी जैसा ये बदन जन्म मिला तुमको मन में सोचा था जैसा रूप तेरा आया नजर हमको सितम खुली खुली सनम गोरी गोरी बाहें करती हैं यूं हमने तुमको जब गले लगाया तो खो ही गए हम हम्मा 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 है हम्मा 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 है हम्मा.
I wish I could visit that. Look at all the
Wow,
look
amazing.
at all the swag that's singing. My God, fantastic, yeah, Malika. Jubin, it's your song.
Nice.
How does it
Wow.
make you feel?
Wow, I feel nice. There were a couple of places where she did this really cool expression. "Oh, madam, that was amazing. Thank you so much. It took me to a different place, and that was nice. Very, very nice.
Thank you so much.
Look at Malika. खुद बहुत खुश है. You know, look at her smile. She's smiling ear to ear. वो खुद बहुत खुश है. Right,
No.
Malika?
Of course,
Nice.
yeah, his song in front of him. So
Wow. Very good. Loved it.
That's a special one. And yes, honey, it's going to be your last performance abhi ke liye, because I'm sure Jubin is marking and he's marking well. So give it your best now. Jubin, what song do we have for her?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपका एक बहुत ही हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल बैकग्राउंड है हनी, एंड आपको एक मेरा बड़ा दिल के बड़ा करीब गाना है, अगर आप थोड़ा सा सुनाएंगे, इसके बोलते हैं आज जाने की जिद ना करो. It will be very very close.
तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
My God, my God,
क्या
कोई किधर नहीं जा रहा. So many hearts to you, so
Wow.
many hearts to you.
Wow.
Nobody is going anywhere. This is getting better and better and better. My God,
Better and
क्या
better.
गाते हो यार? Jubin, it's so
Wow.
difficult for you.
Wow. It's, I don't even want to mark them anymore. Both of them are so good. I didn't want. Hanipriya, that was amazing. The song that I gave you was definitely a very difficult song. It wasn't an easy song, and आपने अच्छे से निभाया गाने को. Thank you so much. Nicely done.
But we are going to announce the winner. Abhi thodi der mein Jubin is going to add up all his marks and all of that. But after that also we have a surprise, by the way, to both you girls. While Jubin decides who is going to pick, who is going to move on to the next round, I want to ask these girls quick questions. Who is your big, who's the biggest influence in your life, musical
The
influence?
biggest
Malika?
influence would be Adi Burman. I really look up to his music and his, the Western stuff that he had in his music. And then there's also Adele. So like,
And you, Hanipriya?
मैम श्रेया घोषाल मैम को आइडल मानती हूँ सिंगिंग में.
You both participants are like chalk and cheese. And yet on the same level, like you sing equally good but so different from one another. You know that? Funny. आप मस्ती करने के लिए कब गाते हो? स्कूल में किसी को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए गाते हो? To get something out of someone? स्कूल कॉलेज में कभी किया है? मल्लिका and you, Hani, अभी तो आप स्कूल में ही हो.
यस मैम.
I think I'm always singing. So, I think kabhi to kiya hoga because I'm literally always singing.
Always singing. Never use this as a move. She has. Look at her expressions. And you, Honey, कभी गा लेते हो टीचर को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए?
तो कभी कभी मूड में सुन लेते हैं, फिर थॉट्स वगैरह जब मैं देती हूँ तो सिंगिंग को यूज करती हूँ थॉट्स में.
अच्छा, नर्वस कौन है अब? जुबिन इज एडिंग अप योर मार्क्स. दोनों में से नर्वस कोई नहीं दिख रहा नर्वस वैसे मुझे तो.
मैं नर्वस नहीं होने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ बट नर्वस अंदर से.
I think same, yeah.
Jubin, do you need any help?
Yeah, but I started doing music because I was not very good at maths.
I beat you at that. I'm the worst at math. I can't even calculate my own percentage. So you can't beat me at that.
I think I have calculated it.
We have.
Yeah.
Guys, are you ready for it? Jubin has picked someone. So one of you finalists are going to move forward to the next round. But please don't be heartbroken. You've come this far. इतने सारे लोगों ने भेजे थे entries. You have no clue to pick people to even send them to the final round was very difficult for us. Both of you sang in front of Jubin Nautiyal. That was a lot of fun and that's a great privilege.
Absolutely.
Right. So please
First
don't
of all, I would
send-
like to tell you that we had 2 rounds here, and both of you won 1 round each. You know, the first round, I think the first round, Hanipriya won the first round when we were doing it. I think the first song she sang was really, it was just very heartwarming to me. And the second round was won by Malika. and that was mainly because of the rhythm. Honey Priya, I think when you were singing "आज जाने की जिद ना करो," so I think you जो उसकी rhythm थी, आपने जो उसकी ताल थी ना, वो आप भूल गए, आपने गा दिया उसको. Because of that, that is one place where you lost a little bit of marks. Otherwise, so what am I to do now? What should I do? How should I calculate both the rounds and just tell you the score or something?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. I will never put myself in this position again. I'm telling you, Manus, I'm telling you, I will never put myself in this position again.
That's okay. That's okay.
Very, very talented, and okay. So according to today's score and round, I think Honey Priya wins by 82 marks out of 100, and Malika, you were just there, 81 marks. It was the first performance that she just did a very good performance in the beginning.
Show to margin, and the finalist who is going to move on to the next round is a Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka Honey Priya. Congratulations! Congratulations! Malika, you're a fantastic,
Thank you.
fantastic singer.
Malika,
We are
you're
so
amazing.
happy to have you on this show.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
And I'm sure, you'll get lots of opportunities. There is going to be another digital icon. I'm sure we'll come up with season 2. But, don't lose heart.
No, of
Just
course.
give me a big smile now.
Yeah. No,
Smile.
I'm glad,
I think-
and she's.
I think Malika has a very original voice, and I would like to say that your journey is really, it's going to be very eventful because you have your own style and you have your own voice and you have your own texture, and most importantly, you have a very unique voice. And please play according to that, and it's going to take you places.
I will. Thank you so much.
And Honey Priya, you are amazing with your expression. I'm myself a soul singer. I work a lot on expressions, and जैसे आपके expressions थे वो बहुत अच्छे से आ रहे थे. They were just there were some things where I just wanted to stop and just want to listen to it for some time, And I think that's why you got that one extra mark because of expressions. Don't forget that.
You are the sweetest judge ever, let me tell you that.
I'm never judging again. I will never put myself in this position again. I am done with this.
because both the girls were
Wow.
fantastic, but we saved the
Wow.
surprise for the last. Jubin, we're not going to let you go like this because Atishbazi is killing it. I have seen it so many times and heard it in loop, but video bhi tagda, singing bhi tagda, audio, video, dono.
Thank you.
It's just volcano of, talent and entertainment, I must say.
Thank
Will you please sing few lines? Girls, thumbs up, heart.
Yeah,
All
definitely.
of it.
Love. मुझको ना खबर थी इस तरह तेरी यादें उतर पाएंगी मुझको सताएं जो यादें वो तेरे हिस्से भी तो आएंगी बेचैनियों में क्यों लम्हा सजा है ये दिल नहीं संभल रहा ये सीने के अंदर है कैसा समंदर क्यों मुझको डुबाए वो यादें तेरी जो तू रूबरू है तो मिलता सुकून है ये आतिशबाजी है तेरी मेरी